Welcome to Week 1 of Best Global AI's Creative Writing with ChatGPT-5. In this tutorial, we'll show you 2 methods to use the special communication hack that makes it easier to manage longer texts and complex projects. It also keeps the AI from making loading and generating problems with your important creations. Step 1. Open ChatGPT-5 and start your project. Step 2. Use the scrolling in the chat and copy smaller chunks of text instead of the whole project at once. Paste each section carefully into your document. This prevents system overloads. Step 3. Review each chunk before moving on. This keeps everything consistent and correct. Step 4. Tell your AI to combine your chunks into document format and use them in Google Docs or your favorite word processor. Step 5. Use translation or formatting tools if needed to adapt your final draft. Or you can use this alternative method if you're on your phone and want to email the documents to your PC at home. Step 1. Open ChatGPT-5 and start your project. Step 2. Using scrolling in the chat and approve each section. Step 3. Tell the AI you want a document generated. Save the result. Step 4. Click on the email delivery option. Step 5. Type in your email address and press send to deliver to your PC at home. Great job. You've completed your first tutorial with the prompt hack. This skill will save you time and keep your work organized. Remember, all paid registrants also receive access to the companion drama text, Keeping the Machine Honest, Integrity, Creativity, and AI in the Classroom of the Eternal Now.